process begins right at the farm, where fresh potatoes are harvested using fully automated machines. From the moment they leave the soil, the potatoes are handled with care and precision. Advanced cleaning systems remove dirt while protecting the natural texture of the crop. AI-powered scanners then inspect every potato, ensuring only the highest quality moves forward into production.
Slices enter the pre-frying chamber, where sensors monitor heat and timing.
Once fried, the chips are gently de-oiled to remove any excess fat. Seasoning is applied evenly, ensuring consistent flavor in every bite. Cooling systems then lock in the crisp texture. Finally, AI inspection guarantees that only premium chips move forward to packaging. Not every potato becomes a chip. Some are automatically redirected to produce frozen fries. After peeling, the potatoes are cut with extreme precision. A controlled blanching process prepares the fries for long-term storage. Some potatoes are cooked using controlled steam heat. They are then mashed into a smooth, even texture. The moisture is carefully removed using drum drying. This process creates light potato flakes used in many food products. The remaining potatoes are processed into a starch-rich slurry. Centrifugal systems separate starch from fiber. Filtration refines the purity even further. The result is clean, high-quality potato starch. Potato starch can also be converted into sugar. That sugar is fermented under controlled conditions. Distillation then separates and purifies the alcohol. This process produces clean ethanol for industrial and energy use.
peeled potatoes enter a coarse shredding machine. Long, even potato strands form instantly. Shredded potatoes pass through a rinsing and moisture balancing tunnel. Excess starch is removed while textures.
Potatoes can even improve baked goods. They are blended into dough for added softness. The dough is portioned, proofed, and baked. The result is tender potato bread and buns. Potatoes are also used to create premium comfort foods. The dough is shaped into gnocchi and dumplings with precision. A gentle steam step sets the texture. These meals are packed and ready to cook at home.